again.
Alright, ladies, I'm gonna end the line. We'll be right back.
And then we're gonna add in on the blue. Calming. And that's all. If you want more, you can always add it more on. And I am going to using a crystal clear. Piece of paper is right here. Hello everyone, we are back. Thank you so much for tuning back in. I'm just adding like burning heart and calming. So now I'm using a crystal clear and blending this out. I've even liked this a lot. I really like it. Just make me thinking of an abstract though. All right, that's it. I just leave it alone. I'm going to using my shimmering silver. Just how thick density is. This one, it look and no background, just the white one. But you can do like a different foil. You can do fusionings like on the top of the foil. It's gonna make it so stunning as well. So I usually do it like just zigzag with my veins. You don't have to be exactly. Flash key for 30 seconds. She's so big, giant. Maybe I should do that. And the red. Let me see if I can find the red. Look at that ladybugs right there. But I'm looking for red butterflies. This one. Hey, I found one. I found one more. Okay. So many to choose from. Oh, this one is have red and white and blue. It's gonna blend in my. Let's see what I'm gonna do with this. Is she so big? I want all of her. I can't, huh? I try. Keep trying, Nancy. This is just chamfer foil. I'm gonna give her right here. But I'm gonna do apply the chamfer foil, the premium IHO chamfer foil. If you're using the white bottle chamfer foil, make sure you keep it for 60 seconds. I'm gonna apply whole nails. All right, keep it for 30 seconds. Excuse me. And then let's see what we're gonna do. My two. I trim her off from that because I don't want other detail. I just want her only. She's really cool when she's big. All right. And then another one too. This one also big too. So I'm gonna using the other end of tweezers and I'm gonna rub it really well. It doesn't work without chamfer foil because when I doing upside down or wrong side of my chamfer foil. Looks really cool. She come right off. Only that part because it doesn't stick on the nails at all. The other one. Now let's do some crystal for her and dress her up. And this nail is gonna be so much fun to play with. I don't know, I just want really big giant butterfly today because she's so cute. Okay, no white condensed glue gel and no white top coat. This is the first step of 3-step methods, and the second step that I'm using is condensed glue gel and a no wipe top coat. So between the condensed glue gel and no wipe top coat, I'm gonna do it the no wipe top coat on the top of the unclear condensed glue gel. This will help to grab the base of the crystals and adhere that onto the nails, and we'll keep it last so much longer, to up to 3. Oh, I have clients do 6 week. I don't know what to, I should say 6 week, but yes, that's so many weeks. Oh, I need this one out. I can dress her. She can be. We'll do that one. Doing it this, choose the red. Is it too big? Might be the big one. So I find another bar. Try to find another bar to matching with us. I think it was one bigger than the others. Maybe it was me, but I think it is. It is. One is bigger than the other. Shouldn't that show for me? Right there. Maybe it's that one. So I'm gonna using my tweezer and pick her out. So that's totally fine. I can get this one in. This one is too thick. Alright, never mind. I want to pick all of this off. And oh, of course, huh? I just took it off, then I found another one. But I found 2 of this super cute one right there, the rope one, the Sarah asked for. It's really cool. Alright, I'm gonna dress her. And put this on sets, a couple of them. And then one more. I feel like the beads is just kind of really defy the crystals. Make it more fun, more like jewelry. Alright, are we happy with this? Absolutely can cure this. That's great. All right. Cure for 60 seconds.